For today's video, we will solve an item from the 15th Philippine Mathematical Olympiad. ABCD is a trapezoid with AB parallel to CD. AB equals 6 and CD equals 15. If the area of triangle AED equals 30, what is the area of triangle AEB? Alright, let us start by labeling some known parts. So we know that AB is 6 units and CD is 15 units. It is given also that the area of triangle AED is 30 units. Okay. We will use the fact that AB is parallel to CD. Okay. With the observation that DB and AC are transversals. Now we see that this angle right here is congruent to this angle. This angle is also congruent to this angle. And because angles AEB and CED are vertical angles, they are likewise congruent. Okay? So from this, we conclude that triangle AEB is similar to triangle CED. Now, recall that the ratio of the areas of similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Notice that the corresponding one pair of corresponding sides of triangles AEB and CED consists of side AB and CD. Okay, so if we get the ratio of the area of the areas of triangle AEB and triangle CED, the ratio is equal to the square of 6 over 15. Okay, so the area of triangle AEB divided by the area of triangle CED, or the ratio of the areas, is equal to 6 over 15 squared. Simplifying, we obtain 4 over 25. And so if the ratio of their areas is 4 over 25, I can represent the area of triangle AEB by 4x and that of triangle CED by 25x. Okay. Now, I'll also represent the area of triangle BEC by y. Now, notice that triangle ADC and triangle BDC have equal altitudes. To see this, I'll draw segments from points A and B perpendicular to CD. So this is the altitude of triangle ADC, and this one is the altitude of triangle BDC. Because AB is parallel to CD, these altitudes must be equal. So let's say this is H. This must also be H. Okay, now, they also share the same base, okay, which is CD. So based on this information, we can conclude that triangles ADC and BDC have the same area. Okay, again, they have equal altitudes and then they share the same base. And take note, the area of a triangle is just 1/2 times base times height. Okay, so triangles ADC and BDC have the same or equal areas. So area of triangle ADC is equal to the area of triangle BDC because they have equal altitudes and they share the same base. Okay, now observe that we can write the area of triangle ADC as 30 plus 25x. And similarly, the area of triangle BDC is just y plus 25x. And now we can solve for y. Okay? If we subtract 25x from both sides, we get y equals 30. And so the area of triangle BEC is just equal to 30. Okay? Now, let us create equations in x and h. But before doing that, I'll show first that the altitude of triangle ABC is also h. So what I'll do next is extend this side of triangle ABC. Okay? And then I'll draw a segment perpendicular to that line, starting from point C. Okay? Now we see that the altitude of triangle ABC is also h. Okay? Now, let's focus on the triangles ADC and ABC, and then create equations in x and h. Observe that the area of triangle ADC can be expressed in two ways. We can have 30 plus 25x, or we can use the formula 1/2 base times height. So if we use the formula 1/2 base times height, 30 plus 25x must be equal to 1/2 times 15 times h. Okay? Similarly, we can do the same process to triangle ABC. So the area of triangle ABC can be expressed as 30 plus 4x, or 1/2 times 6 times h. So this thing is equal to 1/2 times 6 times h. Now, let's solve for x. Because the area of triangle AEB is represented by 4x, so we just need to know the value of x. So what I'll do next is divide the equations. So if we do that, we have 30 plus 25x divided by 30 plus 4x equals 1/2 times 15 times h. Okay? Divided by 1/2 times 6 times h. Now let's cancel common factors. I can cancel 1/2 h and then the common factors of 15 and 6. So we have 30 plus 25x divided by 30 plus 4x. So this is 5/2. Okay? Cross multiply, we get 60 plus 50x equals 150 plus 20x. So if we combine like terms, we get 30x equals 90. And if we divide both sides by 30, we get x equals 3. Okay, now we can solve for the area of triangle AEB, which is represented by 4x. So the area is just 4 times 3, which is equal to 12, and that is letter C.